Hot Thai honey with cherry, unfiltered. And no, it's not an adult site, you pigs. We're gonna try something today that Justin gave me the idea for, and we're gonna smoke some honey, and we're gonna do it with Thai chilies that we're gonna chop up. Let's do it. Highly recommended that you wear gloves when you do this. You'll forget about this, and you'll go to the bathroom, and you'll end up stinging your wiener. Raw, unfiltered honey. I've got 2 trays lined with aluminum foil. Now we're just gonna sprinkle these all on the honey. And because this is Asian, you have to stir this with a chopstick. It's the only authentic way to do Thai smoked honey. I don't know if anybody's ever smoked honey before, but I don't want to hear about it if anybody has, because I'm thinking that this is the first time this has ever happened in the entire world. So shut up about it. What if this causes like a worldwide trend? Like smoked honey is like, oh my gosh, have you tried smoked honey before? Let's go fire up the pit and get these on there. I don't think it's gonna be very long at all, maybe about an hour, maybe not even that. I wanna run a clean fire because I don't want any dirty smoke on this whatsoever. Just wanna heat it up, get some smoked flavor in there and see what happens, but I don't wanna go, yeah.
Dude, that scared me.
Oh! Holy sh! I'm not worried about temperature, I'm just worried about smoke flavor. I want to heat this up just a little bit to infuse that chili flavor, but right now we're just going to throw them on the pit. We got a really clean fire burning. That's all we really want. Probably going to run maybe 200, 175. I'm going to keep it pretty wide open except for the stack. I'm going to close a little bit, so therefore we get a lot of smoke flavor infused in a very short amount of time. Sometimes I feel like I don't have smoked honey. Something, yeah. All right, we're just gonna give it a quick stir to mix in some of that smoke. Look at that. It's like a Beyonce video. Got a little bit darker. That's gonna be a true nightmare if I drop that. We are going to slowly, I said slowly. Na Savannah, smoked hot Thai chili honey. Moment of truth. We're gonna test this stuff out and see if it did anything at all. Found one of these in the drawer over there. So I guess you can get yourself one of those. Chip honey dip. Can I get a scoop? Come on, take a ride in my coupe. You make me wanna shoot. Get yourself a little biscuit here and you butter that biscuit. Let's just Beyonce this thing. I love me some biscuits and butter and honey. And this is spicy honey, biscuits and butter. It's really good. But it is mild smoke flavor, which is kind of great. It's kind of what I was going for. Not heavy smoke flavor. Oh, it's spicy. That hit me right there. It's hot and sticky sweet. Hot honey, Thai, cherry, chili, whatever honey. It's pretty good.